In today's video we will see how to connect the Xfinity camera to new Wi-Fi step-by-step setup guide. Step 1. Prepare your mobile device. Connect your smartphone to the new Wi-Fi network you want the camera to use. Now make sure you are connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network during the setup. Now turn on Bluetooth in your phone setting. Then enable location services, the GPS on your device. Now update the Xfinity app to the latest version and sign in to your account. Step 2. Reset the Xfinity camera. Locate the reset button on the camera, and depending on the model it may be a small button to pinhole on the back or near the lenses. Now press and hold the reset button for 15 to 20 seconds. Now release the button when the LED indicator begin blinking. Now allow the camera a few minutes to restart completely. Once LED flash white or blue, the camera is ready to be paired with the new network. Step 3. Pair the camera in the Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app and sign in with your primary Xfinity ID. Navigate to the Home or Service tab. Now tap Add a device or activate More device. Now select Xfinity camera from the list of available devices. Now follow the on-screen instructions to begin setup. Step 4. Complete the setup. Wait for the camera to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you will hear a confirmation chime and see a success message in the app. Now assign a name to the camera and such as a front door, garage or living room. Now mount the camera in its desired location and then open the live view in the Xfinity app to confirm that the camera is streaming properly. Goodbye and thanks for watching.